Alright, cooking with TallPaul again. We're doing some chicken wings. Do a couple batches. Gonna do them on the SlowN'Sear in the Weber 22. So I cut these up, wings, drumlets. Cheaper if you buy the full chicken wings and cut them up yourself, but I think you can get a package of drumlets for like $6-7, and the whole wings are like, depends what you get. I got all these for like about what was it, $9. So cut them up yourself, it's cheaper, but I just like doing it myself. Okay, I'm gonna put a little olive oil in here and just coat them up real lightly. Just coat them up. That's all I'm doing. Coat them up with olive oil. I'm gonna use SGP, which I love, which is just salt, garlic, and vinegar, pepper. I'm just gonna season these up a little bit. Just coat them up. Give them a quick toss. Toss them around. I'll get a little more. Make my own SGP, which comes out to be 4 parts salt, 1 part granulated garlic, and 1 part pepper. I get good restaurant pepper, not fine cut. I used a little coarser stuff. Okay, so just put them in there, and that's pretty good. I'm going to put these on a rack, or well, I'm going to put them on foil, and I'm going to take them out to the Weber.